This is another simple way you can make your okra soup, and it is so good. So I made this for a subscriber and a family friend on this very day. I have my kotodwe on fire. I've added my ginger, garlic, onion, natural herbs and spice blend. I've added salt and then beef seasoning. I will let it be on fire on a very lower heat. Okay, the kotodwe is not hard. I'll go ahead and cut all my okro and then we proceed. If today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. My name is Eram and welcome to my returning ones. Thank you for always watching my videos. Please, after watching this video, do not forget to share to others, like this video and also comment for me. Thank you so much for your time once again. I'm preparing this for my subscriber. I'm making it his way, the way he wants it. Okay, he said he doesn't want it very slimy but a bit slimy, so I guess he wanted just like how I want my okra. So on the other hand, I have my agucha or my garden eggs. Now the kotodwe is ready, and then I'll go ahead and pour my fetiri or my okra in the cooking pot, add some water, let it stay on the fire for just a minute, and then the next thing that we are going to do is to pound it to activate the sliminess. Yes, you pound it to activate the sliminess. Now just look at how slimy it looks. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for staying with me, and do not forget to share to others and also follow for more. Thank you so much, and subscribe. It is actually free. I'll go ahead and cut all my garden eggs or agbicha, and then we proceed. We can prepare okra soup without my ademe. So I have ademe here, or jute leaves, or ayoyo, anyhow that you call this. I'll cut that one as well, and my okra is almost ready. I'll go ahead and add my agbicha or the garden eggs to it. Give it a stir. The garden eggs is not complete cooked. Okay, I've added my jute leaves or ayoyo, so I cooked the agbicha for just a minute, which is the garden eggs, because I started the okra before adding that. Okay, it may not cook well. So on the other hand, I have my jomi on fire. I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, herbs and spice blend. I'll go ahead and add my kotodwe, okay, and then give it a stir. I'll go ahead and add my amane. We are making this soup for a fancy. Yes, so don't be scared with the proteins that I'm going to add. Okay, it has been on fire for some few minutes. I'll go ahead and add my water and then add the okra that we cooked. Give it a gentle stir. At this very moment, please lower the fire. Okay, it should be on a very lower heat. Okay, I will then add all my proteins, and then we are good to go. Thank you so much for your time once again. I do appreciate it. So after adding all the fishes, you let it stay for some few minutes. Then our soup is ready. You can add seasoning, but I had enough on the kotodwe, so our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. I love you. Bye.